Regardless of what you think about AI or ChatGPT, it is the next internet, but it's going to be even more so times 10 times infinity, the next internet boom. And we're already seeing it on such a small scale, and the possibilities just from this small scale are so incredibly wild. And because it's still so new, there are so many people that just go, I don't get it. It doesn't work for me. I've tried ChatGPT. I've tried using AI. I don't like it. I don't get it. It doesn't work really well. And that's because the majority of people, like 99% of people, aren't using it the right way. So I'm going to give you 8 AI ChatGPT prompts that are going to turn you basically into the superhuman version of yourself and really get you to understand and get a handle on how to use AI and ChatGPT. Now, first things to remember, the output is only as good as the input. So if you give a very vague type of inputs saying like, hey, I want you to write a blog post about gardening, you're going to get a very generic blog post about gardening. You can then keep the conversation going and saying, hey, this was a great blog post, but I need you to, hyper focus on different seeds and different climates and how that affects gardening and all this stuff. And then have it tailor-made to the exact type of blog post that you want. Don't just stop at the first output. Continue to work with the ChatGPT and AI till you get exactly what you want. And it's also important to tell it the type of style and tone that you want it to talk in or give direction in, because it can just vary and it'll sound a little robotic if you don't give it any direction. And the more in-depth the prompt you give it, the better the output will be. Don't be scared to put in too much of words. You can put in pages and pages of words as your prompt, and ChatGPT will understand it and it'll only make it better for your output. So let's get into these prompts to make you the best version of yourself using AI and ChatGPT. Number 1, this is how you can simplify any information. Here is the prompt. Break down the concept, insert the topic, into smaller, easier to understand parts. Use analogies and real-life examples to simplify the concept and make it more relatable. Provide a step-by-step explanation to ensure clarity. And again, you can add to that, customize it, make it more in-depth to anything specific that you want. Number 2, this is how you're going to memorize key information. Here is the prompt. Identify the most important facts, dates, or formulas related to whatever topic you want. Help me create an effective memorization technique such as mnemonics or visualization to remember these key pieces of information easily. Number 3, and this is one of my favorites because I never say that a mistake, nothing is a mistake, it's all a learning process. So here's prompt number 3, how you can learn from mistakes. I made a mistake while practicing whatever you were practicing or skill or whatever. Can you analyze what went wrong, explain the cause of the mistake, and provide guidance on how to avoid making the same error in the future? Include tips for improving my practice. So good. Number 4, this is how you can apply any knowledge that you have. Here is the prompt. Use your knowledge of insert topic to solve a real-world problems related to insert your specific problem. Explain your thought process step by step and share the solution, highlighting how the concepts from the topic were applied. So good. Number 5, here is how you can compare and contrast properly using AI. Here is the prompt. Compare and contrast insert topic 1 and insert topic 2 to better understand their similarities and differences. Use detailed examples to illustrate your points and highlight the unique characteristics of each concept. Number 6, and this one is similar to number 1, but here is how you can summarize complex text. Here is the prompt. I need to read a complicated article related to, there's the topic. Can you help me summarize the key points and main takeaways from this text, ensuring that the summary captures the essence and critical details of the article? Chef's kiss, so good. Number 7, this is how you stay updated on trends. This always helps me stay ahead of the curve. Here is the prompt. Help me stay updated on the latest developments and trends in whatever industry topic you want. Recommend some trustworthy resources such as websites, journals, newsletters, or social media accounts that I can follow to stay informed about any new advancements and insights in this field. And last but not least, number 8, here's how you can connect with others. And this is really important in the digital space so we can actually connect with other people. Here's the prompt. Connect me with a community of learners and experts in this topic, field, industry, whatever. Provide suggestions for forums, social media groups, or other online communities where I can share my knowledge, ask questions, and learn from others. So there you have it, the best prompts to leverage and learn AI as best as you can. Play around with these prompts. Don't get discouraged by it, because I'm telling you, the more you leverage it, the better off you'll be and the far more advanced you'll be than others. AI is the future, and it is so, so important to learn how to navigate it now. Enjoy!